What is up, you guys? Thanks again for tuning in. My name is Tony, and if you haven't already, follow my Instagram for better updates than on these videos, because I do take a little bit more time editing. So today's video is gonna be about wire tucking inside of the fender, and especially if you have a wide body, since you have to add wider wheels, it's gonna hit different areas than it would just stock. So I've had a couple issues, and I'm gonna show you how to wire tuck these wires, and also shave off a couple of parts that are hitting my wheels, and you'll see it right now. So as you can see, whenever I turn to the left or the right, my tire gets chewed up right there. You see these gashes, and it hits this part right here. So what I'm gonna do is grind all this down, and it also almost touches this, I'm sure, under load. So what I'm gonna do then is move this up, take off all these clips, move this up right here, and run it all along right there. Now I already did the other side, so let me show you that, and then I'll show you how to do this one. So this is the wire already moved up, and I just locked it in with zip ties right here, right there. And so this was hanging down here as well, and then it was under here. So what I did is just moved it up, zip tied it, and now it's gonna be hit. If the tire hits anything, it's gonna be this and not the wire, so your wires don't get messed up and you have to figure out some stupid electrical problem that you could have fixed earlier, you know. And I have the fender off right now, but you could do it also with the fender on. I just did it so you guys could see a lot better of what I'm doing. And I also grinded that part down that was hitting my wheel, so I pretty much just grinded it all down, and it should clear perfect without any issues. If it still hits, then I'll just grind down a little bit more, but I think I should be fine right there. So now let me show you how to do the other side. This is gonna be a quick video, so hope you guys enjoy. This problem might not happen to all of you guys that go wide body or anything like that, but for me, I've been having this issue, so I wanted to fix it right now while the fender's off, and I could show you guys a little bit better. And by now you guys probably already saw the car complete meet, and this time right now I haven't started that. I think I'm gonna do that next, so hopefully it turned out pretty good. Anyways, let's get started with the other side. Alright guys, so first thing I'm gonna do is remove these clips, and there's one right here as well. And let's see how different this side is from the other one. So I'm just get my pry bar, just unclip that. Okay. got this one right here that holds it together. Now I can lift it up. Now I'm gonna remove these, take them off. Alright, so next what I did is disconnect the wire for the hood latch, and it ran through there just so I could fit this over and then run this back through there. All you need to do is right from under here. So all you need to do is remove these two bolts from right there, unhook it from right here, bring it down, twist it, remove the wire from this spot, and also right here all you got to do is just push it out and it'll come out, and then just run the wire over there. And that's pretty much it. And now I'm gonna just brace this up top and then rerun this wire. Now I'm gonna just run this wire back in there. Alright, so I got everything tightened up. So you can see, put 2 zip ties right here. This is the wire for the side marker. Got 1 zip tie right here. I threw the line through here for the hood latch. Zip tie right here, zip tie right here. Goes on top of that. And it fits really good. Alright, so now what I'm gonna do is use this grinder and just grind away right here. All that right here. So by the end this should be pretty flush over here. And now let me just do that and I'll show you the final product. Alright guys, so I just finished. Let me show you how this side came out as well. So this is all tucked nice, all the way to the inside. The hood latch wire, I already have it connected inside. So have it zip tied right here, and as you can see, I shaved this down almost to the edge, just so it can stay intact. But I'm gonna check up on it, and if not, then I'll have someone weld it up for me. So that's gonna be it for today's video. I just wanted to show you guys what issues I was running into with the wide body and the wider wheels. So this might be helpful for you guys as well, if you guys are planning to run this wide body kit. Maybe different with different spec wheels, but this is the problem that I ran into, and I wanted to take care of it before I put everything else back on. So I just wanted to show you guys every little step that I'm doing, just in case you guys do this and run into this problem, you guys know what to do. So hopefully this was helpful for you guys. This is gonna help me out a lot with running my wheels, taking care of my tires as well, so they don't just get gashed up on just that metal piece, and I don't ruin my wires and have an electrical short or something like that with the wheel hitting it. So thank you guys for watching. If you haven't already, follow my Instagrams right here, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. Oh, and also I want to thank everyone for subscribing. I'm already up to 200 subscribers, which is probably more after this video. So thank you very much for everyone who has subscribed. It really means a lot to me, and I didn't think I was gonna make it to this many. So now let's just aim for 300 and then keep on going forward, because I ain't stopping here. Thank you guys a lot. So till the next video, I'll catch you guys later. My name is Tony, and don't forget to live. Peace.